Hi there guys, my name is Alan with a tutorial video on how to use your new smartphone. So, here's my smartphone. I got it from Orlando's Phones, of course. So, here's a little overview of the buttons that we will be using today. On your right side, you will find your power button. On your left side, you will find three buttons. The top button is used for silencing and turning on your ringer. So if it's up and you don't see red, your ringer is on. If it's down and you see red, your ringer is off. So as of right now, it's on. These two buttons are for your volume control. They also control your ringer. So the top button is for more volume, the bottom button is for less volume. So let's start by turning our phone on. You're going to start by holding that power button for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. While it's turning on, we're going to take a look at the bottom. Here's your headphone jack, here's your power jack, and here's your speaker. On the back, you'll see your camera, your flash, the logo, and on the front you'll see that your phone is on. So everybody has a passcode. You've probably already created yours, so I'm going to type in mine right now. And we're in. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a new contact, because what I want to do is I want to contact my friend Dave. So we're going to swipe down, we're going to go to Contact, Contacts. In order to create a new contact, you're going to see in your upper right hand corner there's a plus symbol. You're going to click that plus symbol. You're going to type in the first name of the person, the new contact that you're creating. In this case, it's my friend Dave. Now what we want to do is we want to add a phone number to Dave in order to contact him. So you're going to see this button right here should be a green button. You're going to click that green button and you're going to type in Dave's number. Once you're finished, you're going to go to your upper right hand corner and you're going to click Done. Great, now I have Dave as a contact. Dave is my very best friend, so I want to send him a message. Well, maybe I want to call him. Actually, I can FaceTime him as well, but in order to send him a message, I can either do it through here, or if you're at your home page, we can swipe down, go to Messages, first thing that pops up, and we can type out a new message to Dave. So, in your upper right hand corner, you're going to see a box with a pencil in it. You're going to click on that box. You're going to type the recipient of the message that's going to be sent. So in this case, it's my friend Dave. See Dave right there? Click on Dave and go ahead and type your message in. So, let's say, hey Dave. Add an exclamation point because I'm really eager to say hi to Dave. Now, let's say it's been a couple hours, you know what, Dave hasn't messaged me back or anything like that, and I'm getting a little worried. So, I want to call Dave. I'm going to swipe down. I'm going to go to Contacts. And I can either call Dave from here, or I can go Home, swipe down, go to Phone. From here, I can search Dave's name, click on Dave, and give him a call. Great. Well, actually, I'm not too eager to call him right now, since I'm giving you guys a video on how to use your phone. So, next on our list, let's set an alarm, because maybe I want to call Dave in a couple hours. So, we're going to swipe up. You're going to start from the bottom of the screen, right here. It's okay, there's nothing there, so you don't have to worry. And then you're going to quickly swipe up. This might take just a few times, but it's okay because it gets there. So in the bottom, this is the easiest way to access an area where you can set an alarm. So in the bottom, we see our flashlight, the alarm, calendar, and your camera. We're going to click on alarm, and it should take you to timer. So here in the bottom we see world clock, alarm, bedtime, stopwatch, and timer. We want alarm because we want to set that alarm. See, I currently have an alarm set at 9:32. My phone's at military time. So let's set an alarm for, say, 2 hours from now. We're going to click plus. As of right now, it's 16:44, which is 4:44. Let's set it for 18:44 so that I can call them back in 2 hours. We can set it to repeat. We can put a label on it, change the sound, put a snooze on it, or what we can do is save it. So here I saved it. The alarm is now on. So here's the alarm on, here's it off, here's it on, here's it off. You'll also notice in the upper right hand corner when I turn it on, you'll see the little timer icon. When it's off, you'll see it go away. So now let's say Dave's birthday is coming up in a couple months and I want to add it to my calendar. So we can either go to calendar here, or if you don't see it, it's no worries. We're going to swipe down, we're going to type calendar. Great. Now we're in our calendar. So from here you can add a new event. Upper right hand corner you're going to see a plus sign. Click it. You can put the title of it, the location, whether you want it to be an all-day thing, what time it starts, ends, repeats, the travel time. Of course, it's going to be on your calendar, and you can add an event. Currently, I don't want to add an event because, you know what, Dave's birthday already passed. But here we are today in March. So that's how you would schedule an event in your calendars. Now let's have a little fun. Let's take a photo. So we're going to go back again. Remember where the photos were? We're going to swipe up, click on your camera icon right here, and here we are in our camera. Now, we have a bunch of different settings right here. Square, photo, we can take video, we can do it in slow motion, we can have a time lapse, but I just want to take a simple photo of something. So, there you go, your photo's done. I want to preview it. There's that photo that I took, beautiful. If I want to access that photo later, I can swipe down, go to photos. Here it is. And my photo will be right in here. It's great. Now, let's have a little fun. It's almost the end of the tutorial. Let's access one of the preloaded Candy Crush games that you should have on your smartphone. So, we're going to swipe down, go to Candy Crush Saga. Let's get to playing some games. And that's the end of this tutorial. Now, let's turn off our phone. So, power button, on and off. We're going to hold the power button, and that will initiate your phone turning off. You'll have a question, and it'll ask you, do you want your phone to turn off? Slide it to power off. And that's the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope all is well. You have a wonderful day. Thank you for choosing Orlando's Phones.